Where am I? Today, we are going to a place where there's a nice shopping and dining selection, combined with modern urban and wacky art installations. Yes, we are at Chang Chui Creative Park. Chang Chui opening hours differ from other Bangkok night markets. Except for Wednesdays, this creative park opens every day of the week, with the green zone opening first from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and the night zone approaching and remaining open later into the evening, from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Depending on which sections of the venue you want to explore, you could go to Chang Chui at about any time. There are 18 buildings made from recycled materials at Chang Chui Bangkok Plain Night Market. So, in addition to the general cool atmosphere, you can enjoy a range of food and craft beer and shop for trendy clothing. Still, the big decommissioned airplane is the shell of a Lockheed L-1011 Tristar in the middle. It's the real thing, and has always attracted visitors' attention since it opened. In addition, there are plenty of unique art sculptures that make for excellent photos. Bangkok's night market scene seems to revolve around modes of transportation. Officially, it's called a creative park. In fairness, that's a more accurate description since there is an extensive array of activities on offer that differ substantially from the usual Thai night market offerings in Bangkok or elsewhere in the country. The name reflects that creative identity. Chang Chui literally translates to messy craftsperson. The Thai word chang is used for anyone, from handymen to hairdressers, to craftsperson of any kind, and it's different from the alternatively toned word chang you might have heard, meaning elephant. Within Chang Chui Creative Park, many segments operate independently from one another. These sections open at different times throughout the day, corresponding to what they offer and when you may be looking for it, before they ultimately become part of one larger venue of Chang Chui. Chang Chui Creative Park is known for its arty focus, so expect to find boutiques selling everything from books and stationery to clothing and plants. Additionally, there is a gallery, a cinema, and a theater for live cultural performances. Of course, we wouldn't be making a modern, well-heeled interpretation of a Bangkok night market if there weren't plenty of places to eat and drink our hearts out. That's as integral to Thai culture as anything else. Everything from coffee shops and restaurants to a food court and a restaurant serving dishes that include edible insects and a few bars. The most widely advertised bar in the lead-up to the opening of Chang Chui was Runway, situated on the tarmac beneath the wings of that iconic plane. The enormous retired Tristar Lockheed L-1011 Tristar at Chang Chui is impossible to overlook. This is a real airplane, and it would make a great Instagram background. Nao Bangkok Restaurant is housed inside the airplane, and to have the fine dining experience, you must be ready to fox out 1800 plus Thai baht for business class and 2800 plus Thai baht for first class menu. There is also a runway bar under its wings where you can grab a drink. One disadvantage of Chang Chui is that it is difficult to reach by public transportation, though this will change when a new public transport rail line opens nearby. For the moment, it's far more convenient to catch a taxi from wherever you are in Bangkok. The nearest MRT is Siranhorn MRT station. You get out from exit 3A, then take a taxi, about 1 kilometer, to Chang Chui Creative Park. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See you in my next video.